Alright guys, so today what I really want to show you is basically the trade that I've been a stock that I've been looking at and I've been trading quite a bit. The stock is Snapchat. The reason why I looked at this stock in the beginning is because it really caught my attention because I mean it's a billion-dollar company. They have hundreds of millions of users and they're just not profitable at the beginning, but long term it's you know it Hey guys, today what I really want to show you is basically the stock that I've been trading, and the stock that I've been trading is Snapchat. So I want to tell you exactly why I decided to purchase Snapchat at the price that it was at the time and why I still have it in my portfolio. So basically, this is stockcharts.com if you weren't aware. Um, it's a free platform that you can basically look up stock charts. I always like to set the range to 1 year. I set it up at open, high, low, close bars. I take out log scale, I put it on landscape, and I always add a simple moving average of 20. Okay, everything seems to be good. I use the RSI indicator, which is the one at the top. Pretty much shows if it's overbought. When it's in the green area, it's overbought. If it's on the red area, it's oversold. Anything below 50 is considered oversold. Anything above 50 is considered overbought. Here, let me zoom out really quick because we may have some lag. Okay, so this is basically the chart, okay? I bought it back when it was about $10, right up here, this area. Reason being why I bought it was because I thought it was at a cheap price compared to what it could be actually worth in the future. It did end up going a little bit lower. I was going to buy more shares over here at $5, but I had an issue with transferring the money into my Robinhood account, so I wasn't able to pick it up at $5, although I should have picked it up even at a higher price. So basically I want to show you what indicators I use to have a strong bullish position on this stock. So I use the 20-day, which is the green bar, the 50-day, which is the blue bar, and the 200-day simple moving average, which is the red bar. The MACD shows me, the momentum of the stock, if it's picking up momentum, if it's, having low momentum. So basically I use a combination of the RSI, the SMAs, and the MACD to have a position. So over here, back when I bought it, the 20-day, the 50-day, and the 200-day were above the trend, indicating a downtrend. So that happened. But the reason why I bought it was because if you actually go compare that point on the trend right here to this point, which is a lower point, to this right here, and to that, you can actually see, if I can annotate this for you here. Let's use a trend line. It goes down there, and if we line it up here, that's the point. We can actually extend it all the way to this point here. As you can see, the trend is going down and momentum here is going up. The trend is going up here. So that indicates a strong reversal of the downward trend, meaning that it's gaining momentum to the upside. Good sign there. Usually when the MACD crosses the red line right there, good sign, a good bullish sign. So I basically traded this all the way. I still have it held. I mean, I'm looking to sell it, but soon, because I do see a head and shoulders here forming. But of course, it's not a head and shoulders without the without the other shoulder. It needs to be formed to be an actual head and shoulders. But from what I see, there could be a good possibility. I mean, we're at an oversold state right now, so it may go up probably up to around 1484 with a 20-day simple moving averages. As you can see, the 20-day is already crossing over on top of the trend. The 50-day will later soon catch up, as it takes a little bit longer for the 50-day to actually catch up, and the 200-day, it takes a little longer for it to catch up with the other moving averages, because the 200-day has 200 days worth of data. The 50-day simple moving average has 50 days of data, and the 20-day simple moving average has 20 days of data. So the shorter amount of data that it collects, the faster it kind of moves, and the closer it is to the trend. So basically, that's another point I want to point out is here, as you can see. I'm going to annotate this here, where it's basically the same thing. It applies to when the trend is actually appeared. You see, from there to here, it's actually going down. From here to here, it's actually going up. So the opposite is happening. So if this right here, back here, is going upwards, and this is going downwards, chances are that it's going to go upwards. If this is going down, and this is going up, chances are that it's losing momentum and it's starting to fall on its trend. So I'm basically profitable in this trade right now, but I'm basically looking to sell it at 1484. If it goes below, I'm gonna have to exit this so I can inspect it here. Let's see, it was like 1301 maybe? No. Let's see, if it goes below 1349, what was the price that I had marked it at before? I'm trying to remember. Alright, my point is, can't seem to find it right now, but my point is, to make things short, is if it goes below a certain price, I will sell it and cash in on my profits. And if not, then I will sell it at the high point, which is 1497, around 1480, 1490, around there. Just so I can take back some of my profits, in which if I would have sold it here, I would have had more profits. But point is, I'll be profitable either way. So this is basically why I chose Snapchat, and these are the technicals I use: the RSI indicator, relative strength indicator. I use a 20-day simple moving average, the 50-day simple moving average, and the 200-day simple moving average, along with the MACD, shows the momentum of the stock. Let's see, what else? And these are the kind of the points that I applied to this chart. If you want to screenshot this and use it on your own, I can actually go over this in another video and go into depth onto why I use these. So yeah, hopefully you got something out of watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Peace.